Alright, Jesus Christ. I'm short son of shit. God, motherfucker. No dinosaurs needed. Alright. Okay. I've heard there's a nasty rocky thing coming up, so see how this goes. Fuel line, but bike's running. I think I have everything with me if I need to fix it. I thought I'm good at fixing stuff. Alright, so far I don't see the most difficult part. Seems like a pretty mild trail to me. Maybe I'm just getting better. Toughest trail of the day was with North Peak. That one gave my bike an ass kicking. Fuel leak, busted up handlebars. All before I pissed out my morning coffee. Alright, where are we going? We're going down or we're going up? Coming through. I took a wrong turn over here somewhere. It's like some animal trail or walking trail. It's a wilderness area. Okay, I think I'm back on the trail now. That was a little adventuresome. Whew, being a dummy. Well, this looks interesting. Okay. Not the one. Oh, that's a what a fucking bad guy. All things considered, I'll watch the bike down that one. Oh, fuck. Smelling gasoline. Fuck. Fuel leak, man. Oh, great. Don't flip the bike. Okay. Perhaps you shouldn't go down trails. that are black diamonds alone for the first time. Let's see, we've been lost. Oh, shoulder is killing me. Let's see, lost. Man, that's freaking nasty. It's blood red. That is nasty. I suppose you just shoot up that thing, dump it, walk it over there. Wow. Okay. I think I'd be turning around if I was going up. What can I deal with that? So much for making fun of the trail earlier. Stupid. I knew that was going to bite my ass. Okay. We have been getting down a lot of elevation. Look at that hillside. Whew. All right, the last part was pretty interesting. I can see why it's the most difficult trail. A rock from hell there and some super tight switchbacks. Whew. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! That is a big old tree there. Whew. That one ain't getting fixed. It is Miller time. Or in my case, O'Doul's time. Well, it looks like the two part's over. That's not surprising. All those switchbacks were dropping and dropping, one right after the next. That's a pretty neat one. We'll have to try that going up sometime. It's a nice ride through the woods now. Don't run into this. Drive around. They're a lot tougher than you are, son. They've been around a lot longer too. Huh. Well, that's no good. Yeah. Not good. Not good at all. This should be cut out. And if it's not cut out, that must mean that there's more where this came from. Somebody's made a ramp. Well, we'll try and go over it. Or we could go low side and huff and puff and shit. Motherfucker. God damn it. Okay. no. That looks like people are going under. Let me drop something. All right, more fun. The logs must be low now. Creek coming down. Nice bridge you got there, son. Whew. Getting a workout. Okay. Glasses are all fogged up. Man. All right, let's see if the bike can hold, or the bridge can handle 450 pounds. No problem. Could have easily handled another 10. Oh, I hope there's not too much more of this crap. More challenges. Making. Yeah. Son of a bitch. There it is. Man, I just go a couple few hundred yards and I got more of this shit. These don't look too bad though. Might be able to pop that second one. I got a little jump off that little branch there. Let's see what we can do. Now, I got no more now. Fuck me! They're too close together. Son of a bitch. I think something's right. Sure enough. Stick. God. Get the fuck out. Jesus. That's why you never ride alone. Trails you've never been on that are difficult. So you can't have the pleasure of blaming somebody for having made the stupid idea. So now I only got myself to blame. Oh, you fucking retard. Really? Fuck me. Oh, son of a bitch. God. I gotta go up. Failed exploratory by somebody else has led me go the wrong way too. So I'll blame them. Alright. I'll start the brakes on this thing. Right now, I'm just tired. I need to go head first into those logs. What? Okay, that was more nasty logs. This good. Gravel road sounds good about now. I know there's some coming here soon. Hooray for flowers. Then again, I don't think so. Ah, fuck me. What happens when you get tired? tepid. Just, fuck. Son of a bitch. Just worried that that last dump hurt that fuel line more. You can see it dripping. I just don't want to lose pressure, because then the bike won't start, because gas won't go through it with no pressure. Learned that with Josh's bike. All right. Losing my freaking balance and stuff. All right, mellow, because man, fatigue is in. Taking it nice and easy. Dark. No animal. Nope. I haven't seen nothing today. Well, this morning, saw a bunch of elk on the road. That's pretty crazy. Saw them fall down on the pavement. They can climb up the side of a mountain, but they slip like it's ice on the pavement. Pretty amazing. Got out of that mess. Creepy things happen when it's dark. Oh, 8:45. I had good 15-20 minutes to spare.